one tire and he got some parts or whatever.
But the record service is bringing it. I understood the record service is bringing it. It wasn't here yet.
¿Lo va a traer una troca para acá o no?
Pregúntale que si ellos no lo traen en la reca.
That's good. I can go get it.
Oh, so he don't have a record service coming to bring him.
That's what it sounds like. We don't have one.
Well, it.
I picked up a new alternator. Well, I guess a used refurbished alternator. Cost about $45 here at Mike's Wrecking. So I'm gonna go home, see if I can get this thing installed and be back on the road again. It's Randy, and I'm doing some auto maintenance. Something I don't do a whole lot of, but probably should do a little bit more preventative maintenance. But today I am putting in a alternator, salvage one. I got over from Mike's Wrecking over on Pine Street, way on the north side of town. Fairly simple to replace, a little bit of work and some tools involved. But you have to loosen this bolt, this connector, this connector, and that's about it. 2-3 bolts, a connector, and the serpentine belt tensiometer. Try that thing a little bit, and this will come right on out. So I'm getting ready to see if it goes in as easy as it came out. This plugs right in there. Put the belt back on and tighten things up and plug it in. Snap that in place and hook up the battery, and then charge it up and fire it up. Batteries hooked up, light came on. I kind of marked ahead of time the where I wanted this lined up. It comes pretty close, so it should be good. I went ahead and put the battery on a charge, so I don't overwork the alternator on its first fire up to charge up the system. That's always a good idea. So keep in touch and do some maintenance.